Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today on our Halloween recipe show, I'm going to show you how to make these witches hats and these witches broomsticks. Very simple recipe to do, and they're perfect for parties. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. The first thing we need to do to make this is start off with our cookies. I'm using these fudge striped cookies by Keebler, and the reason why is even though on the front they're striped like this, on the back they're completely chocolate, and that's going to be perfect for what we're making. And you can make your own chocolate cookies if you'd like, that's fine. I just like these because they're really good and I'll eat the leftovers, so it works out good. Next, we're gonna need some Hershey Kisses, which I'll have to open up. We'll do that in a minute. And then we're gonna need some orange candy wafers. These, you can use white chocolate and just put some gel-based orange flavor, food coloring in there. Not flavor, but food coloring in there. And that will work if you can't find these orange candy wafers. First thing we're going to do is heat these up in the microwave. I'm going to heat them 30 seconds at a time until they're completely melted. Alright, so our orange wafers have melted down completely. Now all we got to do is take a cookie, turn it upside down, unwrap one of your Hershey Kisses, then just take one of your Hershey Kisses, just dip it in your orange wafers and place it right in the middle there, just like so. That is a witch hat. Do the rest of them and that's it. You'll have nice little witch hats for Halloween. The first part of this video showed us how to make the witch hats, were really cool, but I figured we needed another part. We need to make the witch brooms. And to do that, we need these little pretzel rods, the little thin ones, not the really big ones. And we also need these mini Reese's. Now you can use the Reese's that are a little bigger than this and they'll still work fine. I'm using the minis. I think they'll be perfect for the size we need. So let's get started. So we start off with our little mini Reese's, and you want to turn it to where the bigger side, the wider side, is at the bottom. And take one of your sticks, and all you gotta do is stick it in there. Now be careful because it can break. You want to gently work it in until, oh, just like that. So that's why I have extra ones, because I know it is possible of it breaking. So I did one, and now, there we go. And what I'm going to do is actually use the broken one as a way of opening up the center, just to get it started before we put the big one in. Kind of hold it near the base of the stick will help it so it doesn't break as easy. If you're holding it at the top, it'll snap very easy. And that's it. They are our witches hats and our witches broomsticks right next to each other. You can make a whole bunch of these and serve them at a party. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I think first I will try a witches broomstick. Pretty simple. I love Reese's and I love pretzel rods, so I know I'm gonna like it. Tastes like Halloween. And of course, next up is our witches hats, which is just a Keebler cookie. I love these things, these fudge stripe cookies, and a Hershey Kiss with a little bit of that orange chocolate just to kind of make it a little different. And we'll give that a shot. Got mostly the cookie that time, but I'm gonna get the Hershey Kiss too. Next bite. Here you go. As I expected, really good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these witches hats and these witches broomsticks. It was a lot of fun making these. It's a very simple recipe, of course, and you can do it too. You can make a bunch of them for a party or whatever, a little get together. It's a lot of fun and everyone will love them. So I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself. And as always, if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side, as well as a Halloween playlist. Lots of Halloween recipes on there, so check it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And for the whole month of October, I will be doing a video every single day, a Halloween recipe. So until then, I'll see you tomorrow.